ka na ulit sa isang araw, hindi pa nakakangkang. Let me know kapag ka na-scratch ka ng any animal sa... Pero kaya nagtatawa ka ng shortness. Black. Tama, mukha kang si Tweety Bird. Mukha si Tweety Bird na nagbangso. Ay, naku kayo Bird.
Konti na lang. Konti na lang at bangs na.
Kinalang maganda ka. Alam mo yung laro na ano, maglalagay tayo dito ng food, tapos rock, paper, scissors, stones, tapos tatakbo kung sino talo habang kumakain yung nanalo. You know that game? Build the rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tapos if I win, ano? No, it's not pointing system. We have food here. Let's say we have lots of foods here. Is it our start? No, listen to me first. We have lots of foods here. We'll place lots of foods here. Then we'll play rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoever wins shall eat whatever is on this place. And then the loser will run from there, run from here to there. And then turn back. Once you're back, we'll play again. Tapos agad naman, ano mo yun?
When you want to be down, then you must walk over here. Walk. I will show you how to do. So you want to be down, and then walk over here. Yeah, what I say.
Show me. Oh. Okay na tumakbo talaga pagdating dito sa part na to.